Welcome to Promis, bill payment automation. Promis makes getting paid and paying bills so much easier by connecting directly with your bank so payments happen automatically or when you decide. When you're setting up Promis for the first time, Promis will attempt to add or confirm the bank account you get paid into. However, making changes is simple. From the hamburger icon, click Manage Organisations. Click into the organisation and click the Get Paid tab. If you're connected with accounting software, the banks will appear in this drop-down menu. Select the account you want to get paid into. Depending on your accounting package, the BSB and account number may automatically populate. If they don't, just add them here. Next, you'll need to select the clearing account. This will need to be set up in your accounting software prior to selecting it at this stage. If you haven't already set up your clearing accounts, you can go ahead and do so, and then click the Reload button for the accounts to appear from this menu. Make sure to save your changes before moving on. Note that any changes you make to your bank account will not update your accounting package. If you ever need to change the bank account you get paid into, simply select the bank from the drop-down list. The second payment option is using Stripe. If you'd like to get paid by credit card, you can connect an existing Stripe account, or you can set up a new one. Linking to Stripe does incur fees from Stripe. There is no additional fee with Promis. However, with Promis, you can specify who pays the fees. You can specify if you would like to take on the fee or pass it on to your customer. You can also specify perhaps a maximum fee that you'd take on per transaction. For example, you may specify that you'd be willing to pay up to $10 per payment, and then any fee above that will appear for your client to pay. Next, specify which account the Stripe fees are to go to. This is all done through the clearing account. Therefore, it's important to have set up a clearing account. You can have one clearing account for all bank accounts, or you can have a separate one for each account. Don't forget to save the changes. You've set up the account that you want to be paid into. Now it's time to set up the bank account that you want to pay out of. Depending on your supplier settings, payments can be made from either a bank account or credit card. Click Add Bank Account to connect with one of the authorised partner accounts. Click into the drop-down list to the list of bank accounts that will appear from your accounting system. If it doesn't appear on the list, you'll need to add it in your accounting system first. You'll also need to select a clearing account. You can use the same clearing account that you've used for receiving payments, or you can set up a separate clearing account in your accounting system for payments. Common practice would be to use one clearing account for both payments and receipts, as it's much easier to find clearing transactions. However, if your business is highly transactional and have dedicated personnel for payments and receipts, you may consider using separate clearing accounts. Click Add Bank Account, acknowledge the declaration, and agree for the payment advisor to make payments on your behalf, and you're set to go. The next step is to verify your bank account. To verify your account, you'll need to make a minor transaction in your bank account. Log into your internet banking and transfer the amount specified to the account detailed here. Ensure you have enough funds in your account in order to prevent any additional fees. Now at your list of bank accounts, the status will sit as Get Verified until the bank has received the minimal payment to verify the account. Then the status will change to Active. If you'd like to see your bank balance in Promis, once your bank account is active, you can activate bank balances using one of Promis's partners, Fabric. Simply use your mobile phone number to verify the connection. It'll send you a verification code that you can enter back here, then select the bank you wish to display the balance. You may need to log in with your internet banking credentials. Setting up credit cards can be added when you pay the first invoice through Promis. Now that you've connected your bank, take a look at our other videos on setting up accounting integration, adding other users, and a general overview on using Promis.